Welcome to Impact Learning Tutorials, and this is our video about the future of car travel. So in this video, we're going to understand some of the problems currently facing the car industry and be able to give some suggestions that would help to work towards lowering carbon emissions from cars. So what problems do cars cause? Cars release carbon dioxide into the Earth's atmosphere, which then contributes towards global warming. Particularly when cars are in congestion, which is mainly within towns and cities, this can increase the chances of the residents developing respiratory issues when they get older due to the exhaust fumes. With a greater need for cars, the CO2 emitted from exhaust can lead to more extreme weather due to changes in the atmosphere. So this burning carbon dioxide damages the ozone layer, causing more extreme weather such as flash flooding or extremely hot summers. So how can we reduce our carbon footprint then? By using renewable energy sources such as wind or solar energy to power our homes, and even in the future this could possibly be cars. This is a good way to reduce our carbon footprint. Another way is by reducing the number of journeys that we use cars for and maybe take public transport or walk there instead if it's possible. We also need to reduce the number of diesel and petrol cars currently on the road. Now, the British government has set a target that by 2040 there will be no petrol or diesel cars on the roads. However, we may be forced to bring that forward closer to now due to the number and the amount of emissions that are being put into the atmosphere. So the need for a more renewable energy source is becoming greater and greater. So what does the future look like? With the aim to reduce carbon emissions, electric or even hybrid cars will become more common. So a hybrid car uses a petrol and electric. However, it's a high chance that most will become fully electric by that year 2040. Electric cars are more friendly for the environment as they are not burning fossil fuels and they rely on a battery power. So rather than burning petrol, you plug your car in and it charges up just like your mobile phone or tablet. A real positive about the future of electric cars is that more and more car companies are looking for ways that they can reduce their emissions, because cars that have high emissions will be charged large amounts of tax to eventually get them off the road. So your larger car companies are now looking for ways they can produce electric cars or hybrids to help the customers out with these tax prices and to help them aim towards that target. In the future, there may also be a place for cars that use even more renewable energy, such as solar powered or wind powered cars, to help make it even more renewable, as batteries are charged from homes and off service station points where you could actually charge it as you're going along with a solar panel on the roof. However, this technology is going to take several years to come into play. We hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to keep up to date with our latest tutorials.